Well, my boys, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Look here, today I'm going to show you in spike detector demo. And look here, taking trades on big risk on this account. And look here, the arrow signal just appeared and placed many trades on this signal. Now we are waiting for a spike. So let's continue watching this video and wait for a spike. Okay guys, we took the risk on this account, and this is just a demo video to show you how accurate and how actually the system works. Okay guys, look here, and this is the power of the system, how actually the system works and how actually the system gives a signal. Look here, this is the system